Welcome back to the channel. Yield farming, crypto, DeFi, passive income, building a DeFi business. Let's talk about it. Today, I want to chat about the 48-hour rebalance rule. Now, we do cover this in depth in our free course. If you haven't yet gotten our free course, highly recommend getting it. We go deep, like deep, in terms of how to find these opportunities, the 7 rules for entering liquidity pools, exit criteria, how to think about this whole thing, how to build a DeFi business. One of our rules and one of our frameworks is the 48-hour rebalance rule. So when you're in a liquidity pool, like here, I'm in Turbo, so I'll just use this one for an example because it's a great example. I've been earning SUI for 4 months now. Now I've rebalanced once or twice, actually more like 5 months now, it's April. I've rebalanced once or twice, but I've earned more than 100% return on my SUI. So I've been, I deposited, it was about $5,000 worth of SUI into this pool. And now I have more than 100% return on it. And I get the best of both worlds. Price appreciation, holding for the bull run, and daily cash flow, which as of right now, it's around $150 per day. Not bad. If you were in this range, 1.4 to around 2 was kind of the range that most people have been in. I've been a little more aggressive with it, but most people have been in somewhat of this range. Most of our members, we help with all the TA, technical analysis, and support resistance levels, by the way. So every position we enter, we do all the research for you. And, a lot of people choose to model us, or they set wider ranges or tighter ranges, but they have some base, some model to work off of. If you were in this range, if you look, since January, late January, you would have been in range. You would have popped out of range for a quick split second here. I'm talking a couple hours. If you don't panic, and again, we do a lot of research on the actual fundamental assets we're investing in. In this instance, it would be SUI, of course. As long as you believe in the asset and you've done your research and you've done your technical analysis, as well as your fundamental analysis, you don't panic. Great, you missed out on a few hours of earning fees. Price goes up, almost touches support, comes back in. You're earning fees for literally a freaking month there. So you've just earned probably like 50%. You put in $1,000, you've earned $500. Your pool is now worth $1,500, or you've converted the earned SUI into something else, Bitcoin, whatever. I actually remember this right here. Our members in our group was calm as cucumbers, but I saw markets and like YouTube flipping out like, oh my God, SUI is dying, SUI is crashing. I actually bought more here. It was a very small opportunity, but people were panicking. I bought more. I love SUI. I think it's a really big contender for the bull market. Anywho, obviously price pops right back up. This shows a lot of people lose money in these moments. A lot of people also make money in these moments. These kind of opportunities exist every single day in the markets. We're back in range because we have a 48-hour rule. We pop back out. Great. Maybe a day where we don't earn fees. We have a 48-hour rebalance rule that pops back in. Earning fees, earning fees. I remember this because this was pretty recent. This was March 27th, so maybe a week ago. SUI pops up over $2. Calm as cucumbers. Why? Because A, we've been earning SUI the whole time. So you have SUI. You would have earned 100% on your money. Now you have SUI sitting in your wallet. It just increasing in value. You're happy as can be. If it keeps going, you're happy. But like all things that go up fast, they typically come back down. So we hang out for 48 hours. We don't do anything. This, I won't lie, this was a brutal moment, but I saw it hit total. It went back in range. The 48-hour rule resets. It went back out of range, back in range. 48-hour rule resets. Tried again, didn't hit. Didn't pop out the way people wanted it to, and we're right back in the middle of our range, chilling, earning $150 per day. I see a lot of people get hyper emotional, and by the way, if you've been part of the UIG or if you know what I'm talking about, every time I talk about this, it's just like the 48-hour rule has saved me so much money. We walk away unless something on a fundamental level is changing with the asset. We always ask the question, has something actually changed? If the answer is no, we don't do anything with our portfolios. Most people will say, I'm not that attached to money. Money's not the most important thing. But when money gets involved, they get hyper emotional and they do the craziest things. Families screw each other over money. You know you start mastering it and you're becoming actually unattached to money when you're good when you're making it, you're good if there's a dip, you're good all around because you know you have the skill set and the capability to always earn more. And I think learning the skill of DeFi gives us this, really learning it gives us this confidence to just like, okay, cool. Why is everyone freaking out? It's all good. Oh my God, the markets are down 20%. Things are on sale. Let's go. This is my opportunity to make some money. Really hope this video lands. It takes time. Just stay in the game. Stay in the game. Study this YouTube channel. Like this video. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you in the comments below or any feedback from this video. And subscribe to this channel. Hang out for 2 hours on this YouTube channel. I'll post some videos here and here and here and here for your educational viewing pleasures and purposes. Dude, check them out. Study this stuff. We got members earning hundreds of dollars per day. We got one guy going $28,000 a month. He's now doing more than that. This stuff is real if you master the skill set. So hang on to this YouTube channel, grab a free course, or come join us in the UIG, and we'll literally support you and help you through all this so you don't have to waste months trying to do it yourself and probably lose a lot of money trying to do it yourself. So if you feel called to the UIG, come join us. With that said, I'm going to zip on out of here. Truly appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.